Expert at what? You call yourself an expert? No, I call myself an expert amateur. I am the PC expert amateur. And this review is of the Gelled Solutions Silent 12 PWM low speed optimized silent fan, also known as the FN PX12 16. And it comes with 4 screws. It also comes with some nice, kind of thick corner cushions that you have to stick on yourself. And it's 2 per corner. And when I say per corner, I mean one side. So 4 per 3-dimensional corner. Yeah, lots of fun. But they wanted to make sure it was sturdy. This is what it looks like. The fan blades are textured, as is the frame, but it's slight texturing, of course. Fairly standard looking fan blades with a nice scoop to them. The cable is PWM, and there is no cabling. There's no daisy chaining. Oh, sorry, not cabling, sleeving. So let's go ahead and listen to it. Now, this fan is going to be good for case duty and also on a heatsink on an air cooler, but not on radiators, unless you got a really thin and low density radiator. Oh, come on. Don't be shy. Oh my gosh. You worked for me a minute ago. There we go. All right, turn it back down. Find your minimum voltage. Oh no, oh no. I went too low. Oh my gosh, this fan is very, very fussy. Okay, that's about as low as I can get it. I'm not going to try again. And it's very quiet. A little bit of a burned plastic smell. Some fans come to me like that. I have one from Noctua, one of their IPPC 140 millimeter 3000 RPM fans came to me. It's always had that smell. It doesn't go away. All right. Right now I can just hear a noise. I don't know. I don't think it's the bearing. It's gone. Ooh, the noise is ramping up fast. Fairly low in tone. Oh, there's a harmonic resonance. And again. And that's the maximum RPMs. This is a low speed. Well, they think 1600 is low. And compared to some of my fans, it's really low. But, yeah. So let's bring in the Noctua. See what they sound like together. Accidentally unplugged it. That's what happens with a fan that's on a short leash. I got my first piece of my fan mount for testing fans printed out. And the second, I've got, it's around here somewhere. Oh, where did I put it down? Oh, dang. Well, it can't run away. It's just a piece of plastic. I'll find it. It's kind of a medium green and shiny, so it's not too hard to find. But all right, let's compare them. And I can hear the Noctua already, since this Gelled isn't particularly noisy. So I would say the Gelid is not quite as loud as the Noctua, but it's not too distant from it either. All right, and as is usual with virtually every fan, the Noctua bearing is so much better. Oh, man, sometimes I have the hardest time getting a grip on these things to unplug them. So, that's it for that part of the video. We're going to take a look at the data in just a second here, but could you please do me a favor and like, subscribe, and share? That would be really, really helpful. Thanks. Okay, so it is the Gelid Solutions Silent 12 PWM, or FN-PX12-16. It is a black fan, cost about $12, or did when I bought it last year. Certified by CE and ROHS. Not sure where it comes from because it is not marked with the country of manufacturer. It's a 120 by 25 fan, 50,000 hours of life and a 3-year warranty, 135 grams. Now, think about this for a second. Noctua gives a minimum of 150,000 hours and a 6-year warranty, but it weighs 200 grams versus 135. Not like you're going to be carrying it around all the time, so that doesn't really matter. 7 blades versus 9, standard mounting hole distance, 750 minimum RPMs versus 450, 1600 versus 2000, and yet it's only a little bit quieter than the Noctua. And maximum airflow of 64.5 cubic feet per minute, maximum static pressure of 1.6 millimeters of water, maximum decibels of 25.5, 50 centimeter fan cable, no daisy chaining or sleeving. It's a PWM connector, a hydraulic bearing, 12 volts, and I have it actually added in this equation here. So 1.92 watts, 0.16 amps, and there are no indicators of direction of flow and rotation, but it does rotate in a clockwise fashion. It has 4 screws and corner cushions with it, and that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and share.